Good morning. It is yet another... No, it's not. It's a Wednesday morning. Jesus, the week is going by very quickly. So, this is the 2006 Aston Martin Vantage V8. It's in for PPF, polishing, coatings, etc. We've had the wheels off. They're down there ready for coating. I'm just cutting the PPF now, and then I'm going to crack on with some polishing. The car has had a ton of paintwork done. The whole rear end, the front bumper, and the bonnet is being done as we speak. That had to be redone, unfortunately, hence why it's a Wednesday, not a Monday. We've prepped everything, so as usual, I'll take you around, do some B-roll shots of all the defects, whether it be sanding marks from the body shop, buffer trails from the body shop, all the things that come with body shop work. It's not that they are bad in what they do, it is they are not what we do. We are aesthetic specialists. We deal with those things to get them right. The body shop is a paint specialist. I couldn't paint a car, but I can polish a car. They can't polish cars, but they can paint a car. Pretty simple. So I'll walk you around and that'll be it. So, a quick update on this absolute monster of a car. When I say monster, I mean difficult. I mean, nothing's gone right so far with it. I've PPF'd the front end, the track pack as we call it, so down the sills. It's been a nightmare. It's because it's an old car, the patterns when they were made were not great. That is purely because the car's hand built. So no car, you could pattern one car, get another one, and those patterns won't fit it properly. Welcome to hand built cars. Astons, especially the older ones, you know, panel gaps, all that kind of stuff, they're never great. This is a perfect example of it. It's not perfect. There is so many imperfections. I don't even care to imagine if it could get any worse, to be fair. It's been a hell of a job. I've still got to coat the car. I did this wing twice. I did that wing 3 times. So twice on this side with the patterns that we had on the database. I did it twice with the patterns on that side, then found a load of shit in it. So I pulled that off and I thought, you know what, I'll try and save myself some time, and I did just a bulk install. What a fucking palaver that was. Because it's such a big panel and it twists on itself so, like, I don't know what the word is. This flat side, i.e. where the light is, fine. Coming down the front, fine. But then trying to get it to twist down this way and come towards itself, I was effing and blinding. I must have spent about an hour and a half on that one wing, just fitting it, no trimming. It was a ball ache. I'm not making any money on the PPF, let's put it that way. I've spent about £1,000 in material just to try and get it where it is. I'm not charging the customer for it. It's not his problem. It's not my problem. It's not an installer issue. It is the complexity of the car. This is what people do not see when people give prices for PPF. Not all cars are so simple. Some are. You know, I find like the new Tesla, very easy. The old Tesla, not so much. BMWs can be a bit iffy, especially on the front bumper. Porsches, generally, bonnet's okay. Bumper can be a bit of a nightmare because it's curving this way, it's curving this way, and there's just so much, you have to stretch so much. It's the same on this. Yeah, so I've got to code it now. I'm not going to fuck around anymore with the PPF. It is what it is. I can't spend any more time. It's Friday. I need to get this coated. You know, I can't see, like, other than the imperfections, i.e. water under the PPF, a couple of bubbles, but they'll sort out over time. They'll level themselves, etc. I can't see the install on the edges, which that is my main goal. If I can see it on an edge, then it's a no-go from me. But yeah, I'm gonna coat it now and then do some B-roll at the end. But I thought I'd catch up with you. Yeah, bit of a bummer to say the least. Nobody likes me losing money, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, this is business, this is cars, we live and learn.